Your entire civilization, your religion, your politics, your economics, your social structures, everything is based on fallacies.
Most humans are so afraid of dying that they become afraid of living.
Understand that you and that other are one. You are at the quantum level, you are connected, you are all one.
But you must decide, here and now, whether the world is to be fashioned with tools of devastation or tools of recreation, with words of hate or words of hope.
You are afraid of death, that's clear. But the reason you are afraid of death is because of what you've been told about life.
And violent behaviors.
How can we recreate ourselves anew?
With acts of war or acts of peace, with thoughts of fear or thoughts of love.
How can we create
Unbelievable devastation, unbelievable destruction, unbelievable cruelty, unbelievable pressure, and warring and killing. You cannot die, and you will never be condemned to eternal damnation. Everything depends on you. Everything depends on how deeply you desire it. You may achieve any inner state of being you wish.
Your whole life is a teaching.
You are the future.
for whom someone is waiting today.
Any inner state of being you wish.
Your whole life is a teaching.
You are the future.
I tell you this, you are an angel. You are the angel for whom someone is waiting today. You are all messengers. Your whole life is a teaching.
You see, the purpose of life is not to get, but to give.
Freely have you been given. Now freely give.
Everything you experience in life is thought. It's thought. And the beauty of that and the glory of this is that thought is yours to do anything you want.
That in your mind lies the wisdom, that in your heart lies the love, and that in your soul lies the truth that will set your world free. For you are all the wisdom.
Everything starts with you. You are the first domino.
You are the future.